Hey everyone. So it looks like my Fursuit head from Jackalope Suits is finally here. Now this package is coming all the way from the UK. And as you can see, it got pretty banged up, so I'm a little bit worried, but not too much worried because it looks like it was packed very, very tight. I don't think anything was damaged at all. So, oh my god. Here we go. Now I'm going to try to use a screwdriver here, just so that I don't damage anything. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, going pretty well. Wow, this is packed really tight. Okay, here we go. Ah, there we go. Oh. Yeah. Oh man. Good that they put it in a plastic bag just in case it rained while it was sitting on my porch. Aww. He's peeking out. Aww. Look how cute that is. Ah! His ears are all folded over, being in shipping. It's okay. Oh my god. Oh, he feels really comfy inside. That was yeah, anyway, looks like there's plenty of breathing room. That's good. Fur is, pretty nice. The face part right here, it's a little bit harder than I thought it would be, but I guess that's good. Means everything is rigid. Wow. Aww. Aww. Should take my glasses off for the first time. Putting this guy on. Hi. Hi everyone. Oh wow. How's it going? Oh, okay, so he's really comfortable. I'm not feeling hot at all. I can breathe really well. The quality of the materials of this fursuit are really good. Wow. This is much better than the first one I had, which was like 10 years ago. It was made by a maker who was very nice but was very inexperienced. But yeah, this is much better. Oh man, is my hair flopping the right way? It better be flopping the right way. I can't tell. Yes, I think he is. Oh wow. Let me get my paws. Hi. How's everybody doing? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is going to take some getting used to. I've not worn a fursuit in a very, very long time, let alone my own. But hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like the new suit, because you're going to see a lot more of it. And I will see you next time. Have a good one. Stay safe. Like, subscribe. Bye. Also, I will leave a link below where you can check out the maker of this suit. Yay!